Good morning students. Happy morning to all. Program BCom, subject Corporate Law, semester 3rd semester, University Davangere University, session 30. Module 3, Managerial Personnel of Company, topics covered, Corporate Social Responsibility Committees, meaning and objectives. Learning objectives. The main objective of this session is to understand the concept of corporate social responsibility committees under this meaning and objectives. In the previous session, we discussed in regarding to removal of secretary and corporate social responsibility committee. Session outcomes. After studying this session, you should be able to understand, explain the concept of corporate social responsibility committees, meaning and objectives. Now let us start with the meaning of corporate social responsibilities. Corporate social responsibility, CSR, is a self-regulating business model that helps a company be socially accountable to itself, its stakeholders and the public. By practicing corporate social responsibility, also called corporate citizenship, companies can be consciously of the kind of impact they are having on all aspects of society, including economic, social and environmental. To engage in CSR means that in the ordinary course of business, a company is operating in ways that enhance society and the environment instead of contributing negatively to them. Objectives of corporate social responsibilities: to provide a neutral and creditable platform to all stakeholders engaged in CSR, best practices for capturing relevant issues to foster sustainable growth; to provide research, training, practice, capacity building, standard setting, advocacy, rating, monitoring, recognition and related support in the field of CSR; to facilitate exchange of experiences and ideas between various stakeholders for developing a framework for strengthening of CSR indicatives; to facilitate any other assistance directly or indirectly for activities which seek to promote CSR practices; to establish and deepen links with the organizations in various parts of the world which promote CSR practices for exchange of ideas and for collaborative actions and programs; to collaborate and to support directly or indirectly the initiative of any individual, group, organization or institution in promoting good practices in CSR; to establish a database of creditable implementing outfits with whom the corporate entities as well as the donor organizations can collaborate and work; to create CSR fund with contribution of government PSUs and private sector companies and channelize the CSR fund for optimum utilization through a sustainable mechanism; to implement various CSR projects of state importance through creditable implementing agencies in that area; to conduct activities relating to public health in general but preventive health care and sanitization in particular; promotion of employment, enhancing vocation skills especially among youth; promotion of an ecosystem for enhancement of cognitive growth of pre-Anganwadi children; contributions of funds to the technology incubators located within Gujarat. Such other activities relating to CSR as may be prescribed in the Companies Act 2013 or Companies Corporate Social Responsibility Policy Rules 2014 or any other rules which central government may make from time to time. To do all such other things as may be deemed incidental or conductives to the attainment of the above objects. Now we have to be end of this session. Summary of the session. Corporate social responsibility is a broad concept that can take many forms depending on the company and industry. Through CSR programs, philanthropy and volunteer efforts, businesses can benefit society while boosting their brands. As important as CSR is for the community, it is equally valuable for a company. CSR activities can help forge a stronger bond between stronger bond between employees and corporations, boost morale, and help both employees and employers feel more connected with the world around them. So this is about the summary of this session. Thank you one and all.